Got another apartment tour for you guys here in Tbilisi, Georgia. So our 6-month lease in Vera expired, it ended, and we plan to only be here for 1 more month. Can you believe that? We've been here for a 1.5 years and we are entering our final month in Georgia. So we decided to go with an Airbnb since it's just 1 month and it's all included. This is $535. Let me show you around. Okay, this is the door that you enter when you come to our apartment, and it enters into a foyer. And we just set up this ironing board to kind of make it be our little table to place stuff down when we arrive. So it's a nice place to put our shoes and kind of keep them out of the rest of the house. That is one of the heaters here. So you come in, right here is the bathroom. So this is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. The area of Tbilisi we're in is Saburtalo, which is our favorite area to live in. We are pretty close to City Mall. Comes with a washer. Again, this is pretty standard in all rentals, at least especially furnished ones here in Tbilisi. So again, we did this on Airbnb. So it's $535, and that's all included. So it includes all utilities, so the building fee, gas, electricity, water, the cleaning fee for the city. This shower, you guys know I love to burn my skin in the shower. So this one, not only do I burn my skin, but the water pressure is amazing. Oh my gosh, best one so far in the 1.5 years we've lived here. So this white thing right here, this is also another heater. Now how it works is outside on our water heater, there's also a thermostat, and so you set the heat, the temperature that you want it to be at. But then if you come down here, these you can turn them, high or low, so you can determine how much of that heat you want on that particular unit. So here is our bedroom. So we have a big closet. We store our bags up there. Big closet with shelves, drawers, queen size bed. Not the most comfortable one, but it's all in your perspective, right? If you're coming straight from the US, you're gonna think this bed sucks. If you are coming from, say, Thailand, where the beds are freaking rock hard, you're gonna think this bed is amazing. So another dresser here. We actually brought this fan from our 6-month lease apartment. We had bought it for that. And especially because the aircon, there's only one, and it's in the living room. This fan just helps to keep it cool in here. And it leads out to a balcony. Look at that view. But I'll show you more of that later. Oh yeah, there's another heater there. So we come back here into the foyer. And then we come into the living room and kitchen. So fantastic use of space. So lots and lots of storage here for bowls, dishes, pots, pans, etc. We have an oven with a 4-burner stove, sink. Now this is something I don't think we've had at all in any of our units here, is a microwave. So it's here, but we don't use it. We've kind of figured out how to live life without a microwave. A good sized refrigerator. And then the table here just has some stools, seats for people. And then look at all of this space. We have a chair, basically a love seat that love seat folds down. And then this couch, it folds down as well. Then here's our entertainment system. So TV, we do have cable. There's the aircon again. It would take a while, right? to get this cool aircon air all the way into the bedroom, which is why we brought our fan. I love that they brought us, or not brought us, but it was already here, this chair, because Anthony and I both work remotely. So if we're ever working from home, it's really nice to have a chair like that to work from instead of just like those stools or even this furniture. So now, oh my gosh, let me show you this view. Like, I love being able to see these foothills, the green space. Oh my God. Love it. So first I'll show you the view. So you can see tons and tons of Tbilisi. You can see Matsmend up there, the TV tower, the Ferris wheel. This looks really freaking cool at night as well. And I mean, just like look at this view. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. It's so nice to wake up to in the morning from the bed, or even when I'm working from the kitchen table, to be able to look out. I mean, like, look how big these freaking windows are. Like, oh, it lets in so much natural light, which Anthony and I freaking love. So we got some balcony furniture, two chairs and a table. In there, in that blue closet thing, that's where our water heater slash regular heater, I don't know what you want to call that, is. And again, when you rent apartments, you want to make sure that your water heater is inside one of these cabinets or closet, because if it's not, the pilot light is going to go out pretty frequently because it's really windy here. We had this problem in Tbilisi as well as Georgia, as well as Kutaisi. So the pilot light would go out, which means it sucks because then you can't get a hot water or heat in your house. So make sure it is in a closet like that. Okay, and then this is the other part of our balcony. So this is our hammock. We brought it and I freaking love. This is what I do every morning now. I wake up, whenever it is, like, I don't know, 7, 8 in the morning. I bring my pillow out here and my book, and I just sit here in my hammock and read for like 30 minutes to an hour. And then when I look up, oh, look at this freaking view. Oh, love it. And then, so this door right here and the window leads back into the bedroom. Oh, now you might be wondering about dryers, right? You saw the washing machine. So some people have drying racks. This is the first time I've seen this. Look where we dry our clothes. And actually, I have some clothes that need to be hung up. So let me show you how this works. Okay, I have my clothes. So hopefully you can see how this works. Okay, I hope you could see that. See, and now it's up there. It's out of the way, right? If you have those drying racks, then they like take up space on the ground here, but yeah, it's up, it's out of the way. So look at this contraption. So this is how you how it stays, how it doesn't like fly away, and you just pull it down when you want these to come down. Like, isn't that so awesome? Okay, so again, that's what $535 can get you on Airbnb here in Tbilisi, Georgia. Leave me a comment. So this is like I said, our last month here. So let me know if you have any other questions about Tbilisi, if there's anything I can cover for you. Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more unique travel adventures, and the next one will be right here in 3, 2,